Hi my friends, good afternoon, it's me again. Today is Monday, 10th of August 2020, and the time now is 12:35 in the afternoon. Yeah, just give you an update about this concrete footpath. So the side of the wall is ready to pour today, so maybe in a few minutes I'm gonna start preparing for the concrete. But I just want to show you what it does. So like what I said before, this wheel is 90 mil, and this side here is 95 mil as well. So, and the depth of the channel would be 90 mil from the top of this formworks to the bottom. So I'm going to put concrete as well on the bottom surface of this channel. So what I gotta do today is to pour from this post to the other post. So that's about 1.7 meters. So I'm gonna consume about 4 plastic buckets of builder's mix and about 5 liters of cement. So that's the volume that I'm gonna consume today. So I'm gonna pour it from here up to here, so that this brace can stay there, so that it will support the alignment until it gets dry. And from the other post up to here, so when the concrete sets, I'm going to remove it and then put another concrete on that gap. So by then, so we have already the alignment straight properly. As you can see, it's not too bad alignment. Yeah. All right, my friends, hopefully you like my small presentation. And by the way, just the reason why I put concrete on this part here, so that I can remove the shutter on the side and start preparing. So I just leave this area because it's too wet. I need to let it dry before I'm gonna do backfill. So I just concentrate on this side wall concrete for now. Alright, thank you so much, and hope you like my short presentation. Please be safe, take care, and bye for now. I just walk slowly because it's too slippery. Okay, bye.